You sold the cow for what?
Bean seeds. Real special beans.
Garbanzo beans. Show her, Mario.
Deal and Delbert said we really got the sweet end of the deal.
I can't believe this. You traded the royal cow for a handful of bean seeds?
Shrewd city, Mario. Who wants cash money when they can have a few garbanzos instead?
Gee, he really made it sound like they were our answer for everything.
Well, they're not. And I'm allergic to garbanzo bean seeds.
Good riddance, Princess. I'll go to town in the morning and see if I can't con that